Hi everybody, welcome to Seattle Refined. I'm Gard Swanson. When you think about our city skyline, what really comes to mind? Maybe the Space Needle, the Columbia Tower, but there are other staples like the Rainier R, the Filson sign, even the Seattle Star. They were all built by one business down in SoDo. Brandon Bernstead wanted to see the light for himself, so he hopped into a 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid thanks to our sponsor, Western Washington Toyota Dealers, and said, let's go places.
For this Toyota adventure, we're taking a ride in the brand new 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Equally at home on city streets and the open road, this Corolla Cross Hybrid boasts electronic all-wheel drive and increased horsepower. But it doesn't sacrifice fuel efficiency, getting an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon combined. And its size works perfectly in an urban setting. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is compact enough to slide into those tight parking spots, while still boasting an impressive 21.5 cubic feet of cargo space. Perfect for a trip down to SoDo to meet the folks who help light up our city. Their work is quite literally part of the landscape of Seattle. From the Rainier R to the Seattle Star, to signs adorning countless small businesses around the city, it's all been built right here at Western Neon.
Neon is one of the most unique, I think, mediums that there is out there because it has this ability to be both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Like, nothing else can do that. It's been trying to often imitate it but never duplicated.
Founded back in 1985 by Jay and Michael Blazek, Western Neon started as a neon school and art gallery before becoming a sign shop. Then during the pandemic, the team here redefined themselves as what they call a concept, design, build business.
And what that means is we specialize in working with people to take their dreams, whether it's a drawing on a cocktail napkin or a highly defined architectural construction drawing, how to get that to become a reality. And that's what we do here.
While WN's work now includes interiors and public art, the custom signage remains a staple.
What we do is really a blue-collar job. We take a lot of pride in that. We get our hands dirty. It's kind of like working on a movie. I mean, there's a lot of little pieces and parts that go into that final kind of opening or presentation.
What does it take to actually build one of these projects? Well, Fletcher Blazek is giving me a behind-the-scenes look.
So Brandon, we're in the workshop right now. We're just headed to the metal shop where all the hands gets dirty. Kind of the first step in the sign creation process.
Okay, obviously you're working with metal, but what are your team back here doing?
Sure thing. So we've taken all of our designs from the screens. It's when we actually get into physical space. So big sheets of metal, we cut it, get your logo, get your lettering, all that, and then we start to assemble it, TIG welding, all that stuff.
Once the metal work is complete, it's time for paint. Everything I'm seeing today is part of an installation for the Victor Tavern, one of the concepts from Ethan Stoll Restaurants.
So what we do is we work with a lot of brands. They have a brand-specific Pantone or a color. This is where our paint master kind of matches that color, applies it to the metal, and then it really comes to life there.
The paint may bring everything to life, but the magic is right here. The neon.
All right, Fletcher, when folks think Western Neon, they think neon, and this is where it all happens, isn't it?
Absolutely, you said it all. I feel like I'm a broken record. Every department in this place is magic, but this is really where the people come to see. This is like nothing else in the shop.
How much nuance does this take for an artist like Will?
It's incredible. Don't let him fool you at all. It makes it look easy. This is incredibly hard. People who have been working here for years and have experience with neon, it's not easy by any stretch of the word.
With the individual components complete, it's time for the final step, the assembly workshop.
And this is literally where all hands come together. So you've got the paint, neon, fabrication, everything. And this is really, really special moment because everyone's had a hand in on everything, and we finally get to see it made up.
How does it make you feel when you see something that you've worked on out in the world?
It's amazing. It's so funny, you know, it starts on a screen, and then 2-3 weeks later, it's out in the public. So it's amazing to know that we've helped and that other people can really enjoy it.
And that wraps up another exciting and illuminating Toyota adventure.
To learn more about the 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, head to buyatoyota.com.